So Facebook is actually trying to improve their platform for once, which is fairly strange. But basically what they're trying to do is they are trying to add end-to-end encryption into Messenger. Now this would be a pretty welcome feature. It would also make it so that Facebook itself can't really read your messages, as well as third parties wouldn't be able to do that, or well, at least it would be a lot harder to do that. And if you're doing something illegal, it is useful, because if the police asks Facebook to hand over your chat history, that would all be encrypted, which, you know, would make it a lot harder for authorities to actually read your messages, because they would first need to decrypt them. And there's a pretty interesting case going on over here at the moment, where basically a teenager had an abortion, and abortions are now illegal in some places in the US. So Facebook had to hand over her chat history. So if it was encrypted, you know, maybe the authorities wouldn't even be able to decrypt it. Of course, it depends on what kind of encryption we're dealing with and stuff. And another notable feature that Facebook is adding is the ability to unsend messages, which is always useful, I guess. But yeah, I mean, more encryption, more better, more privacy, you know, all good. So this is actually a good feature coming out from Facebook for once, and, you know, good job, Facebook.